By default, most of the GR-55 factory patches do not use the normal output from your guitar. The exception are factory patches lead 30-1, 30-2, and 30-3. If you want to hear what your normal guitar pickups sound like through some COSM modeling effects, playing with these 3 patches is the fastest way to get results. But say you want to work with a patch that does not have the normal guitar sound. First, you will follow the advice found on the Roland website for changing the way volume controls are handled in the GR-55. Press the Edit button and use the Page Right button to bring up the System page. Use the right arrow to select pedal/GK control and push the Enter button. Use the Page Right buttons to select the Volume page. Now, turn the data entry dial clockwise 1 click to change GK volume from patch volume to tone volume. Now, press Exit twice to leave the system parameters. Now, we're going to go to factory patch lead 21-3, a great soprano sax sound, and we're going to add in the normal guitar pickups. Press Edit. Use the down cursor button to select normal pickup. Use the left cursor button to highlight the on-off block. Turn the data entry dial clockwise to turn the normal pickup signal on. That's it! You can now hear both the normal pickup sound along with the saxophone sound. The GK volume controls the level of the saxophone, and the pickup volume controls the level of your normal guitar sound. Be sure to save your changes if you want to recall this patch later. Let's try another patch. Factory lead 9-2 pedal blend guitar. Again, press Edit. The GR-55 remembers our last edit location, so if you go right to this patch from our previous patch, you will see the normal pickup on-off block already highlighted. Turn the data entry dial clockwise to turn the normal pickup signal on. Notice that with the expression pedal in the back or up position, you can hear your normal guitar pickups layered with the COSM guitar. As you press the pedal down, you can hear the COSM pitch move down 1 octave, enabling you to layer the normal and COSM guitar together. Again, the GK volume knob controls the level of the COSM model guitar, and the pickup volume knob controls the level of your normal guitar. This last exercise is a little bit more fun. We're going to enable the normal guitar volume control on the guitar to set the amount of delay in a GR-55 patch. We do this by routing the modeled COSM guitar through amp and modulation effects and sending the normal pickup through delay effects with the wet-dry mix set to all effect. Start with patch rhythm 33-2, ES335 bright. Step 1, as always, is activating the normal guitar sound. Next, press the right page arrow to get to the effect page. You will see Amp 11 Wild Crunch highlighted. Press Enter. You are now in the effects editing section. Use the page left arrow key to access the structure page, the first page in the effects editing section. Use the down and left arrow keys to change the pickup output from amp to multi-effects. Now, use the page right arrow keys to select the multi-effects page. Use the data entry dial to switch on the multi-effects. The default patch here is hexachorus. With the GK volume turned down and the normal guitar volume turned up, you will hear your guitar process through the hexachorus effect. Use the down arrow keys to highlight effect type hexachorus. With hexachorus highlighted, scroll the data entry dial clockwise until you see 3-tap pan delay. We are going to make one change to this effect. Press the down arrow key until the balance parameter is highlighted. Turn the data entry dial clockwise until the display reads direct 0, wet 100, or D0-100W. This eliminates the dry sound from the delay. Now, by using the GK volume and the normal guitar volume, you control the amount of delay using just the controls on your guitar. With the GK volume at 0 and the normal guitar at maximum, all you will hear is delay. Increasing the GK volume adds back in the dry sound. Now this is a great effect, not attainable with any other gear than a Roland guitar synthesizer. You have two different sound sources from your guitar, adding depth and complexity to your guitar sound.